Alright guys, what's up? Today I'm at my mom's and fucking car is misfiring and it burns a lot of oil. So I think the CCV valve is clogged up, so I'm gonna take it apart. I'm gonna check my spark plugs first and see if anything is going on with the cylinders. When I do run the car, this is hard to take off. If this is hard to take off, then usually it is your CCV valve, which runs down here to the little thing, and if it gets clogged up, it's gonna make your car burn oil. Piece of shit, but has to be done. Gotta do it. So I'm gonna take this off and I'll get back to y'all when I get the spark plugs out and we go further from there, because I don't want to blow my motor for a little stupid valve. But alright, so I got the first two out. This is the first spark plug. Dang, focus. Alright, well, it's not focusing, but anyway, this is the second spark plug. Let me see. This camera can focus on it. Come on, focus. But anyway, you can tell, kind of tell, their shit. Yeah, they're like, number two is covered. And it does not look good at all. And I'm gonna just go ahead and start taking the intake off, the intake manifold, and I'm gonna take all the holes for the valve. And I'm gonna see if they're clogged and if I can get them unclogged until I can order another one, because yeah, this is shit. This is terrible. Yeah, it's terrible. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking the intake off. I think I'm gonna just throw these spark plugs back in there for right now until I can go get some more. Probably not gonna be able to do that today. But I'm gonna just go ahead and start by unplugging everything and start taking this bull crap apart. I'll get back to y'all when I get the intake off and we can go further on like how to unclog it and what to do. Most likely, just buy a new one. Alright guys, so I got the intake off. It's not that oily. It's kind of oily down in the intake valves. I took the one off for the dipstick down there, blue in it. Seems kind of like it's free. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go buy another one of these, even though this shit is like brand new, but they always fucking fail, and I believe that's the only reason why I'm burning oil. I hope so, because I would kind of like expect this to be a little bit more oily, but it is oiled up though. Like, I don't know. You know, sometimes it just don't hurt to try. Excuse my hands. My hands are from working on the E30, cutting stuff. It's not that oily. So right now I'm finna just take everything off. I'm gonna leave the car out here. I'm gonna cover up the intake ports, and then I'm gonna edit this video for y'all. And I guess I'll just do an install basically, because I mean, taking it off is pretty simple. You know, I tell you what you take off. All the bolts at the top, you take off these intake bolts right here. You pull the injector ports off, because with ours is like a hard line, but it's also like a disconnect. But I don't like to disconnect it, because sometimes it feels like it's not, you know, correct. So you gotta take the injector, the injector, the electrical thing for the injectors, that fire the injectors off. Unplug all the wires up under it. It's pretty easy. Something, I don't know who did this, but this is very fucking dumb of them. Yeah, so like this is like, you can't take this off. So I might try to like do something to where I can get this, to where I can just take this bolt off and all this is off, because I have to take a Torx. It's two little Torx screws right here I gotta take off on the side, and it's very hard because it is this power steering fluid canisters right here. So tomorrow I'm gonna order Well, I'm gonna go buy that from AutoZone and buy new spark plugs, and also I'm gonna get this wire because also the motherfucker before this did a very shitty job, and it's terrible because this is just open wiring and it can short out probably on the hood, even though the hood is not, but it can still fucking short out. It's an open wire, you know. Just stupid shit like that pisses me off. Also, I think this came disconnected for when I had when I pulled it off, but I think this was off, and I think that's why it's hard for me to start my car, because my relay inside of there, if you take that off for the carbon air filter, up under that it's a big box full of relays and stuff like that. I think your ECU is in there too. Yeah, so in there is the secondary relay. It's a little blue one, and it clicks, and if it clicks, your car won't turn on, and it'll say your car is overheating when it's really not. But it's just that relay runs to the little secondary air box up under here, and sometimes that, I don't know, I think something might be wrong with mine. So I want to check it again. I just want to check it and see, but I don't know. If I don't get that little if I don't get the CCV valve tomorrow, then I'm gonna just order it, and I'm gonna just have to stay at my mom's house for the weekend. Plus, I don't really have much to do on a, yeah, I actually do. I can just get my mom to drop me off and pick me up. But yeah, I need that because with that misfiring, it's kind of scary. I mean, but it just feels like it's gonna blow. And that, if this fails, it can make your car blow, because it will make your oil dissipate real fast, and it'll be all gone, and you'll be like, what the hell? So, yeah. Alright, well, that concludes today's videos. Very short, very retarded. I hate my life, and see y'all on the next video. Like, subscribe, comment, stay positive. I need to keep that to myself. Stay positive. Need to use that. And you know, tell your friends. If I like these videos, tell me what I need to do better. Peace out.